Hey, Mike here, michaelpitluck.com, and this is video 5 of a series of building a sales page from scratch using Thrive Architect. I am an affiliate for Thrive Themes, so if you're interested in their products, I have a link below in the video description. I would appreciate it if you go through that link if you're interested in checking out more about Thrive Themes. And again, we're using Thrive Architect here to build the sales page. So far, this is a live build. I'm actually building this, and this will go live. Okay, so this is a course that I run for my business. Here we have the header, kind of the hero. We talk about the problem. We talk about the solution to their problem, to the customer problem. And then I go into a little bit of backstory about why I created the course, who I am, what my backstory is in regards to music. And then I kind of transition in from that into the actual course. And so here this is introducing the course explicitly. And then we get into some testimonials from the course and some social proof, if you will. And then we get into managing expectations. What can someone expect from this course? And I take some screenshots and some testimonials from some real students that have let me know about their success stories. And then we get in from there, we get into what exactly is in the course. Okay, so we get into the modules, specifically what you can learn from the modules. And then if someone really wants to, they can then dive into the individual modules and see exactly what videos are in there. Ooh, nice. And we forgot to fix something here. I'm glad I caught that. Okay, so when I'm looking at this, last time I was saying that we needed to make this section stand out a little bit more. Okay, here's what you get, because I'm using kind of a reference here, someone else in the Make Music space, and I really like their layouts. They're always super clean, real crisp, to the point copy, and I like a lot of what they do. And so I know they use Elementor, and so they're just using the kind of templates from there. But I'm building it completely from scratch because I'm a control freak. But I like a lot of the things that they're doing and using. So let's see. One of them, I forgot exactly where I was going with that. But what we're going to do instead is, oh, I know. What I wanted to point out was the differentiated sections, right? The sections that kind of pop out. And so here, this is a pop out section because it's introducing that course. And then when you get to the full breakdown, you can see that your attention just gets stopped because you have this big kind of bar that just stops your attention. And then you get into this nice module section. That's where I was going with this. And on my sales page, there's nothing special about introducing the contents of the course. And so I feel like I need to fix that. And I had an idea, but I kind of forgot what it was. I took a shower. Let me think. Here's what you get. Oh, you know what? I do remember now. I was going to do something kind of like this. This section right here. I was going to bring this image back and then maybe just have the module breakdown. And then we can get into the bullets. And then we can get into the actual module breakdown. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and start. So I'll edit with Thrive Architect here. And I forgot to turn the clock on. I'm trying to just make 30-minute videos here. So we're probably going for about 5 minutes. Okay, nice. So here we are in Thrive Architect. And let's come down to the bottom. And so maybe what we'll do here is just, what's this? This is a background section that's not doing anything. Okay, let's get rid of this background section. Okay. Cool, so we'll come right here and we will duplicate this. Okay, so I duplicated that. I'm going to leave that for now because what I want to do is actually add some Enroll Now buttons elsewhere. So I'm going to just copy this one and I'm going to put it down here below this testimonial. And so this is going to go, let me just check. So we're inside this content box. I don't want to go inside this content box here. I guess it's not that big of a deal. Okay, fine. So what we'll do is just center this like that. Okay, and then maybe we'll add a little bit of margin to the bottom of this. Okay. Okay, so maybe what we'll do instead is add some top margin to this. Nice. So we have background section is 50 pixels. And so what I should do is maybe just add 50 pixels here. So that way there's 50 pixels between this button and the picture, and 50 pixels between the button and the break there down to the bottom. Okay. So roll now, that's just going to take people to the pricing table that we're going to build later. So we'll go ahead and drop this guy. Maybe right here. Okay, so what that makes me think actually is, so let's see. So the line, so what we need to do is change this to 20, because we can see that the line height here is 32 pixels. So we just need 20 pixels. And so that makes me think actually that maybe I don't need this copy, right? So people get the point, like, yes, these are real case studies. And so when they get to the bottom, maybe it's time for them, they're ready to enroll, so they can click there. But the reason why this copy is good, because it kind of manages expectations. Obviously, I can't promise people that they're going to get certain results, but I can promise things related to the course, which is to improve their workflow, technical skill, and overall ability to make music. So maybe what I could do is just hedge on that a little bit. So, okay. So let's see. What I could do is just move this guy down, maybe 50. Okay, see? So something like that. Okay. So now, maybe all I need to do now is get rid of this. Okay, so I don't need now the extra margin here. What is the... So this is 32 plus 20, so that's 50. So what I need is 50 between the button and the bottom, just like that. Okay, so we have enroll now. We have enroll now. And maybe I can do something like just a little bit of a break somehow. Just kind of like this. And maybe put this in the middle. And then maybe we might change this later on, but pixels would be maybe 50. Whoa. Okay. Bold. 32 maybe. And then let's go ahead and add a text like this. Copy, paste like this. Okay. Okay, and then this will go that way. And then this, I will remove the line spacing like that. So something like that, right? Yeah, that's okay, fine. We're going to stick with that for now, okay? So what I was doing is adding this enroll now button. Okay, now we're moving on to what we need to do. Okay, I just didn't want to forget that idea. I probably wouldn't have, but now it's done. Okay, so we'll come over here to this section, and we're just going to move this on down. And here's exactly what you get. So what we're going to do is add this above the columns. The columns in this section. So if I look here, we have columns, and then what is the content box? Okay. So what we need to do, we can keep the content box there. We just need to add this above the columns. Here's exactly what you get. And then, okay. Okay, I'm just thinking, what if we just add a little bit of color to this? So one thing I could do is, so if I add color to this, you can see the color in the background here, but to make this pop even more. Oh man, okay, let's see. Let's go to background style. Okay, if we take the Ableton picture here, video background. Okay, so one thing I wanted to know is if I could gray out the image in the background. And it doesn't look like I can. Like change the grayscale on it so that it's just gray, because that would make the overlay color a little less ugly. So let's look at, what is this? So FF9900. So solid color. Again, what we should do, let's go to color hex. So FF9900. Okay. And then I want one of these colors. Let's see. Maybe I could take an analogous color here. Let's see what the web safe. FFFF0. Oh, so just yellow. Okay, let's try yellow. Ooh, no, we don't want yellow because that's going to be way too bright. So let's go, let's take this. What's this? Try this. FFFFCC. So instead of white, let's try adding 2 C's here. All right. It's easy to always change it back to white, but I mean, it makes it pop. There's no doubt about that. Yellow is a color that pops. Bam, right? Some testimonials. What can you expect? Bam. Here's exactly what you get. The good stuff. Okay, so what I could do now is just move this. Let me just check something really quick. I'm just looking at the text here. So if I go to the list item, let's go to the typography here. So main options. So we have 22. What are these check boxes? Those are also 22. Okay. They seemed a little bit small to me. Okay, doesn't matter. So what we'll do now is move this into here. So maybe we can copy this. Okay. Maybe we can. Okay. And then maybe we can get rid of this. Put this in here. And let's see. Let's just drop this like that. So this is what? This is 32 and the line height is 1.6. So let's change this to 32. And the line height to 1.6. Oops. All right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put another text box here, like that. And we'll copy this in here. And get rid of this, get rid of this. We can get rid of this. And what I want to do is get rid of that line spacing right there. And maybe we'll just reintroduce a little bit of spacing with the layout and position. So let's see, maybe we'll get 20. Okay. So, okay. Something a little bit off about it Maybe this doesn't need to be that big. So let's move this down to 20. And what if I move this under the picture? Okay. What we need to do, what is the layout on this? Because right now you can see that the image doesn't seem like it lines up with this, and it could be because of this spacing issue right here. Whoops. Okay, so let's go to the columns and see if they're vertically. They are. So why does there seem to be so much space around this? Okay, because I didn't remove it yet, I guess. Okay. It still doesn't look even, does it? You can see how much, there's only a little bit of space up here. There's like a lot of space down here. So let's come to the column, and what if we just push it down and do it by ear, or by eye, I mean. When I say by ear, that's funny because I'll have to say that in the music lessons that I teach. Okay, so what we'll also do is, well, that's not right. Obviously, is there a line under here? Why? If I undo okay. Okay, let's get rid of the line spacing on the bottom there. And then let's put this back. Damn. Okay, let's get rid of the button margin. Okay. So this is 20. Does that look about even? Maybe I can add. Okay, you know what? Let's see. Okay, there was some. Okay, so maybe that's too many enroll now buttons. Okay, so there was some copy I had right here, and it was, let's see. Here's the full module breakdown. Okay, so now let's check to see exactly what's inside the course. Let's go ahead and pop that in here like this. B. All right. Okay, cool. I mean, I think that works. Enroll now, enroll now. I don't know. I can't tell if that's kind of goofy or not. All right. Anyway, we're going to move on. Just thinking. All right, maybe I'll try moving this below the title. Whoops. This guy, right? Okay. Okay, and let's see. Line spacing, we'll get rid of that. Cool. And then what we should do is maybe add some margin here, like this. So what is that? Let's do 20. Maybe a little bit more, 30. And then instead of the course, we'll do start to finish pausa. Breaks down start to finish pausa is neatly organized based on workflow steps and modules. All right, let's jump back over to here. I kind of want a more orange color than a yellow color, because that's mostly yellow. There we go. So let's try this. So background style. Let's go here. That's nice. Okay, let's try one tint lighter. Let's try this. And I wonder if we okay, this takes us to that other color. Okay, so let's come over here and one more. Let's just paste. Okay. Okay, let's get that other color. That's a little too light. So this color right here. What's the web safe version? Damn. Okay. What if we go a color up? What is the web safe version of that? Okay. Oh, man. So what we're already using. Okay. So let's come back over here and we'll just copy this one. So background color, we want to use this. There. It's a nice color. Let's come over to here. Yeah, that's a way better color. That almost looks like pea. Whoa, way better. Okay, those colors are related to each other. Very nice. Okay, so this color, maybe we can use the green color we used here. Copy. And we'll, yeah, it's a nice green. Okay. Enroll now. Results. Okay, here's exactly what you get. 5 modules, 12 videos, 7 hours. Start to finish pausa style is neatly organized based on workflow steps and modules. Module 1, start with a groove. Module 2, write the hooks. Maybe we can add in the timestamps here. So what were they? 2 hours, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2 hours. 1 hour. 1 hour. That doesn't look very good, does it? Let's see. What if we just put this in there? Ooh, I don't know what that's going to be like. Let's change this to the video icon. Nice. Save. All right, we only got a couple minutes left in this video. And we haven't done very much. What were we going to do? Oh, bonuses. Shit. Okay. So what we'll do is... I'm not sure how this is... The only thing is I'm not sure how this is going to play on mobile like this. So if I can't undo that shit. Shit. All right, let's move this down here. Okay, so what we're going to do is quickly move past this. I'm going to put another text element in here, just like this. And we'll go back to the copy, and let's get this. And I'll come in here. Okay, and then we will go like this. Oh, jeez. Okay. For now. Bold. 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 Okay. And maybe instead of italics, we can do bold. Yeah, that looks way better. And then, so I'm just going to put some things in place here. I'm not sure what's going on with this. I'm not feeling it. So what I'm going to do is let it sit, but let's say you'll also learn blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then, so bold. Maybe we can do this 32. Like that. Something like this. I'm not feeling this right now. But we're going to move on to the next section, which is bonuses. Let's just set that up, and then we'll call... you know what? Let's end this video here. I mean, we're just kind of moving things around in this video. You know, it's not everything is going to work out, but in the next video, let's just kind of power forward through the bonus section, and then we'll come back to this at a later time to fix it up, kind of maybe when we have a better perspective. All right, so let's save and preview. Again, we're using Thrive Architect to build a sales page from scratch. This is a live build, and this will be a live page. If you're interested in the Thrive theme products, ooh, nice, look at that. That gets me every time. If you're interested in the Thrive theme products like Thrive Architect, then I have a link below in the video description. I'd appreciate if you go through that link because it is an affiliate link, and I'll get a small commission even though you won't pay any price difference. So I would appreciate that. And of course, leave a comment if you have anything to say or any questions. Okay, so yeah, this is exactly what you get. I like this because it pops, right? Like it's an important section. So this is just introducing the course. That's nice. Here's some proof, and then bam, we're going to get the meat of the course. This is what you're going to get. Instead of you'll also learn, because I haven't said what they're going to learn here. I should say you'll learn this, and then maybe I could say like look inside the course. Damn it. Okay. We're going to come over here and change this up. So I'm going to say you'll learn, and I'll say look inside the course. And maybe that will make me feel a little bit better going into the next section, which is talking about the bonuses. You'll learn those things, and let's get rid of this stuff, and then I'll be like, look inside the full course, full break as syllabus, full breakdown, and syllabus. All right, so this is going to be bold 32, and let's go like this. ... We'll remove the spacing there, and so there's a big spacing here. Let's remove this spacing. You'll learn. So maybe we'll add in, let's see, 20. Maybe we need more margin from the background section, so 50. You'll learn. Okay, so maybe we need a little bit more space below the styled list, so 50. Okay, so this is not, let's see, if I put learn, nah, that's not very natural. Let's keep it natural. So full breakdown and syllabus. Okay, cool. I like that a little bit better. I feel it's cleaner, and so I think that'll be it. So just cleaning a little section up. I was hoping to get to the bonuses. We weren't able to get there, but cool. I will see you. Thanks for watching this one, and I will see you in the next one, and we are definitely getting into the bonuses in the next one.